Okay, so thank you everybody for coming along for this one. This is just going to be a quick preview of next year's Moodle site. So this is the preview site we've got up at moodletest.borderscollege.ac.uk. So anybody can check that out using the same login as they would for our normal Moodle. There's also guest access for people who don't have an account. I know some people outside of the college use our Moodle as well. So I'm going to log in here. And once we get logged in, what you'll notice is that we've updated the look of the site to try and more closely match the Borders College colours, logo style, based on the main web page. You can see yourself up in the top corner still. You've still got your menu here to get you through to your dashboard. So the first time you hit the new Moodle course, you'll be presented with one of these user tours. So all you do is click the next button and it's going to take you through this interface to guide you through. So we can see the big change here in navigation is that there is now a navigation bar at the side that we can bring out when we want to get to a different area, or we can hide it. So I press next there. You can also see that we've got some quick access buttons here, so one to get in the dashboard, one for the calendar, private files, courses, etc., things like that. You've also got a notifications icon up here, so if you've got a piece of work coming due, things like that, you'll get a little number up there telling you how many notifications you've got. So you can click on that to bring up a little list, which will tell you how many notifications you've got. I've not got any, so I must be very up to date with everything. And that's the end of that tour for that area, so I'm just going to click End Tour to finish that one. I'll show you a little more on this board here. Again, you've got this dashboard here that comes up from any place in Moodle, so you can get back to this home page or your dashboard with your courses really easily from anywhere in Moodle, and then you can just hide it again by clicking that. So I'm going to go through to the example course, so I recommend you trying this one out because we've set one example course up for you to get the kind of idea of how Moodle can look next year. So I'll go through to this new course this year. Again, I'm going to run through a quick tour on this, so I'll just reset my tour on this page. So we can see on here we've got a nice tour up, so I'm just going to hit the next button. It's going to take me through. What you'll notice now is that it used to be that you had a big block on the side of your courses where you did all your kind of course management, so settings, users, stuff like that, and they were all hidden in kind of a long, slightly complicated menu system. All the kind of commonly used things you're going to want to change in a course now are all up here in this course management tab. So if I press that, I can see straight away I've got stuff here about badges, questions, course settings, things like the grades for my users, enrolling users, stuff like that. All of this just pops up so I can get straight into it here. So I'll close that back down again so it doesn't take up any space when I don't need it to. We can also see here that just as it's always been in Moodle, if you want to start editing a page, you're still going to use this Turn the Edit On button here. So I'll click that there so it works just the same as it ever did. There's my page in editing mode. I've also got the navigation bar, which shows me some slightly different information when I'm in a course. So I can see now that when I'm in a course, the navigation bar on the side actually shows me a little folder icon and the name of each section. So I can skip about the page. So maybe I'm only interested in physical factors. I click that one and it skips straight down to the physical factors section of my page. So I'm no longer going to get lost in a huge long scroll of death Moodle page because I can always open the navigation bar and skip back to any section on my Moodle page. So this should really help people navigate around. So that's most of the new features that people are going to see in the new Moodle. There's a couple of other kind of background things, little extra things you'll notice as you're going around, but we'll go through those in a later session. So thanks very much for watching, and remember you can try this all out at moodletest.borderscollege.ac.uk.